Today, we're diving into a major legal development involving President Donald Trump and key government agencies. It's a story about accountability, privacy, and the protection of personal financial information. President Trump has filed a lawsuit against the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, and the IRS Treasury Department. The suit seeks at least $10 billion in damages for what the plaintiffs claim was an unauthorized disclosure of confidential tax return information. The case was filed in federal court in Miami on Thursday. It names Trump personally, along with his sons Donald Trump Jr. and Eric Trump, and the Trump Organization as plaintiffs. The allegations center on events from 2018 to 2020. During Trump's first term, a former IRS contractor accessed and shared tax data belonging to Trump, his family, and his business with media outlets. That contractor later pleaded guilty to the unauthorized disclosures and was sentenced to prison. The lawsuit argues that the IRS and Treasury failed to implement proper safeguards to prevent such breaches. Reports from outlets like The New York Times and ProPublica published details based on this leaked information. Trump has long expressed concerns about the handling of his tax records by these agencies. The plaintiffs accuse the agencies of negligence, or worse, in protecting taxpayer confidentiality. They say the lack of administrative, technical, and physical security measures led directly to the leaks. This resulted in what the suit describes as reputational harm, financial damage, public embarrassment, and a negative impact on their business standing. The filing emphasizes the duty of these government bodies to secure sensitive taxpayer data. Trump's legal team argues the disclosures violated federal laws on privacy and were either knowing or grossly negligent acts. This lawsuit highlights ongoing debates about government accountability for data protection. Taxpayer information is meant to stay private under U.S. law, and breaches can affect anyone filing returns. If successful, a payout of this scale could involve taxpayer funds, raising questions about fiscal responsibility. It also underscores the challenges of securing digital records in federal systems. Legal experts note that proving negligence in such cases requires strong evidence of systemic failures. The case may set precedents for how agencies handle high-profile taxpayer data moving forward. With Trump back in office after his 2024 re-election and inauguration in January 2025, this action revives scrutiny on past IRS practices. It comes amid his administration's focus on reforming federal bureaucracies. For everyday Americans, it's a reminder to stay vigilant about financial privacy, whether dealing with tax prep, services, or government filings. Tools like encrypted storage and monitoring services can help safeguard personal data. The lawsuit is in early stages, with defendants likely to respond soon. Thank you.